This tutorial consists of two parts. A public website where users can view and vote. An administration page where you can add, modify, and delete surveys. Create project. Change from the command line to the directory where you want to save the code and run the first command. The second image is what Start Project creates. Every file here has a different task. In this tutorial, we'll create our survey application in the same directory as your manage.py file, so it can be imported as its own top-level module, rather than as a sub-module of my site. Create a polling application. To build your application, make sure you are in the same directory as manage.py and enter the first command. This will create a catalog query with the structure as shown in the second image. Write down your first view. Let's write the first view. Open the polls/views.py file and paste the Python code that's on the screen. This is the simplest view in Django. In order to call a view, we need to map it to a URL. For this, we need a URLconf. To create a URLconf in the polls directory, create a file named urls.py. Your application directory should now look like this. In the polls/urls.py file, paste the following code. The next step is to point the root urlconf to the polls.urls module. In my site/urls.py, add an import of django.urls.include and add include to the URL patterns list so you have what's on the first image. You have now included an index view in the URLconf. Check if it works with the command on the second image. Visit http://localhost 8000/polls/ in your browser and you should see the text Hello World. You are in the polls index, which you defined in the index view.